Go.
Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Tekkit with shotgun7788 and green5hark.
Green shark!
Okay, well,
Hello.
while we were gone, we left the world anchor under the condenser, right?
Wait, I wanna see it first.
Okay, well, okay.
And I'm gonna take all the stuff.
We got 8 dark matter around there.
My-
That was pretty cool. I want to make it all into flying rings.
We have enough to get red matter.
We don't even need red matter. Unless you want a better collector. I'm just saying.
Okay, let me,
I would rather make the flying rings.
yeah, I know. We have enough for 4 and then we'll have 1 dark matter left.
Okay.
I'm just gonna leave it inside here.
I'll get... Ooh, lagging a bit. Lagging, okay. I'm gonna...
We're gonna have a surprise this episode. Yeah.
We're gonna have a guest. So...
Yeah. I'm gonna start building the flying ring. You need to get me feathers.
Okay.
Do we have any feathers?
Okay, so we need feathers. Wait, I'm just gonna be AFK for a while. Get my internet up. Oh yeah, I just made an electric wrench. Okay, well, I'll go find some feathers. I mean chickens.
Just kill one and we can condense it. Actually, get 8 feathers. Just get 8 feathers.
Okay. Where do you think I'll find chickens? Do we have some eggs?
I'm not sure if I picked one up when I...
Wait, I need to tab out.
Are you gonna cut this bit out, Father?
It's okay. I'll just stay while I whitelist everyone.
Because we've whitelisted the server that we're on since, like, we were playing before we didn't think of recording, and suddenly these like random people joined and like griefed us.
No, two were really good and one was really evil. He got a nuke and blew up.
Yeah, he blew up like spawn, so we had to go 1,100,000 miles away
To start this.
Yeah. I found this place.
Yeah, I know you did.
No, I'm kidding. I didn't. Since when the nuke blew up, he blew up all the way over to where we started. And I blew up for some reason right into, like literally, like a little bit away from the place. Anyway. Um, yeah, our mystery person, he, let's just say his username is, not his real name. Exactly like mine and Shotgun's. Anyway.
Can you get on? Okay, I'm just gonna go back to the game now. Okay, let's find some chickens. I should just be really using this jetpack for tree hopping.
Why?
Because it's actually faster.
But you're getting hurt.
No, but you can get some forward momentum. It's slightly faster than normal. A creeper, so this, we got some. All I'm seeing is sheep. Do we need sugarcane?
Just get one. Just get a few. Um,
Restarting server time.
no wait.
Welcome back to another episode of Tekkit with shotgun7788 and green5hark.
No, it's not a new episode.
Yep. Here's our mystery guest.
Ah!
He's Quinton8. Now we don't have any sapphires left, do we? No, we don't.
Yeah, we have
We
one.
have one, yeah, okay, I'll condense that. Okay, there we go. Okay, Quinton8, you're gonna have, I'll make you some tools. Yeah. Quinton8 can only talk in the chat, but he's sort of like right next to us.
Wow. Did you get any feathers?
Yeah, got feather.
Feather.
Feather. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, that's why I made a few tools for you.
I'm a dog.
You can.
Like to dig. Can you find me?
It's like this all the way down there. I got a shovel. Like we're noobs, yes. Quentin, I got some sapphires and stuff for you. I got some picks for you. Here's some of your tools. Ah. You know we have shovels.
Kill him if he doesn't behave.
That's rude. Okay, here's all your stuff. You can start digging and if you want to come up, it's fine.
Yeah, we could actually use more materials.
Yeah, we could. So just get everything you can get your hands on.
Okay, so I have the dark matter. Make some feathers.
Oh, yeah, feathers.
Feather.
Okay, I'll get you
We need.
Oh yeah, you need torches. Okay. Well then, I'll take...
Well, we only have charcoal. Oh yeah.
No, it's okay. I got a bunch. Here you go. Let me give him a lot of torches.
Stop making torches. Put them.
Wait. Spelt wait completely wrong.
That's what. You said what? Miny dwarf. What?
I need to put the red thing in.
No, feathers.
Oh yeah, feathers. Feathers, feathers, feathers. Boop. Wow. We're making more.
Wait, actually, I think. Okay,
I got
give me
feathers.
the feathers. And now I need a whole bunch of iron.
I thought you needed, oh, you need some iron? Okay.
There's no power.
There should be. I just put some charcoal in the...
There is. This is not giving power.
You've just crashed, haven't you?
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what's... Yeah, yeah. Okay, our mystery guest has just crashed. Now, for me, I need to find some lava.
Yeah. Why do you need lava? Wait, why do you need lava?
You need lava.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw. You fell in the cave. You're about here, I think. And there's some iron ore here. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Let's get back up.
Wait, what did he say?
He said, "R.I.P. doggy, recent doggy labor," and I shot him by accident, and now he's dead.
Oh yeah, I completely forgot that I could fly.
Okay. So we're gonna... Okay, slash teleport. Quentin. Yeah, I know you were shot, Quentin. Shotgun. Get on the server.